Good morning to all. I Razia Patel from Grand Manji Vidyapit, Standard 5th. So students, today we'll start unit number 7, worksheet number 22, adding and subtracting time. Now, here is some example. We have to follow that example and we have to complete our work. Okay. So, in that students, now look at here step 1. Here is a additions example is here. The time right now is 4:30. What will be the time after 2 hours and 25 minutes? So what we have to do? First of all, we have to write down the time before and time after that. The time in between, time before 4:30, time after question marks we don't have, time in between 2 hours and 25 minutes are there. Okay, 2 hours and 25 minutes are there. Step 2, time before 4 hours and 13 minutes, time after we don't have the time in between 2 hours and 25 minutes are there. Okay, now step 3, if we are having to find the times after we add, if we have to find the time before add the time between, we have to do subtract. We have to find the after, so we have to add here. यहाँ पे हमें क्या करना है? We have to add here. Now step 4, hours and minutes. 4 hours 13 minutes plus 2 hours 25 minutes. 0 plus 5, 5, 3 plus 2, 5, 4 plus 2, 6 are there. 6 hours and 55 minutes. We have to find the time after, so answer is 6 hours and 55 minutes. Now students, next one question. Raza started work at 3:20 and finished work at 8:32. How long did he work for? So in that we have to write the time before 3:30 and after is 8:32. Okay, time between we have to find here. So time before 3 hours and 20 minutes, time after 8 hours and 32 minutes, time in between we have to find. So we have to finish the time between, so we have to do the subtraction here. Then hours and minutes are there. 8 hours 32 minutes, 3 hours 20 minutes. 2 plus 0, 2 are there. 3 plus 2, 3 minus 2, 1 is there. 8 minus 3, 5 is there. 5 hours and 12 minutes are there. We have to finish the time in between, so answer is 5 hours and 20 minutes are there. Now look at this sums everyone and write it down in your notebook. I'll give you 1 minute, you have to complete your work. Okay. Okay students, I hope your work is complete. Now we'll start next worksheet. So students, next worksheet is add and subtract time. Worksheet number 23. Solve the following word problems in your notebook. First one question, a time right now is 4:30. What will be the time after 3 hours and 10 minutes? After 3 hours and 10 minutes are there. So we have to do here addition. Okay, now we'll start the sum. So here we have to write worksheet number 23, unit number 7, class 5th. Okay, in that heading is adding and subtracting time. Okay, first one question in that time, right now time, here we have to write so students in that questions hours and minutes are there. So the right now time is the 4:30, so we have to write 4 hours 30 minutes. What will be the time after 3 hours and 10 minutes? So we have to write 3 hours and 10 minutes are there. 0 plus 0 0, 3 plus 1 4 is there, 4 plus 3 4 on your mind, 3 on your finger, 4 then 5 6 and 7. So we have to write here 7. So answer is 7 hours 40 minutes. We have to write 7:40. Okay, now look at these sums everyone and write it down in your notebook. I'll give you 1 minute. You have to complete your work. Okay students, I hope so work is complete. Now we'll start next worksheet. Students, now next question, if the time is 6:45 now, what will be the time 2 hours and 23 minutes before? Now before words are here. Which word is here? Before. So always we have to do the subtraction. Okay, so let's start that sum. Students, B1 sum, in that we have to write here hours, here we have to write minutes, in that 6 hours 45 minutes are there and 2 hours 23 minutes are there. Minus we have to do 5 minus 3, 5 on your finger, cut 3, 1, 2 and 3. Remain number as 1 and 2. So we have to write here 2. 4 minus 2, 4 on your finger, cut 2, 1, 2. Remain number as 1 and 2. So we have to write here 2. 6 minus 2, 6 on your finger, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Cut 2. 1 and 2. Remain number is 1, 2, 3, 4. So what we have to write here? 4. Answer is 4 hours 22 minutes are there. Okay, we have to write like that 4:32. Now look at these sums everyone. Write it down in your notebook. I'll give you 1 minute. You have to complete your work. Okay students, I hope your work is complete. Now we'll start next portion. Now next portion is students, Anu started a job at 3:20, complete it at 5:46. How long did Anuj take to complete the job? So in that, here we have to do subtractions we have to do. Anu started a job 3:20, complete at 5:46. How long did Anu take to complete the job? So we have to find the difference, right? So we have to do the subtraction here. Let's start that. So students, we have to write here C1. We have to write here hours and minutes. In that, there will be the 5 hours 46 minutes, 3 hours 20 minutes. 6 minus 0, 6. 4 minus 2, 4 on your finger, cut to 1 and 2. Remaining number are 2. So we have to write here 2. 5 minus 3, 5 on your finger, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Cut 3, 1, 2, 3. Remaining number is a 1 and 2. So we have to write here 2. So answer 2 hours 26 minutes are there. Here we have to write 2.26. That is the correct answer. Now look at these sums everyone. I will give you one minute you have to complete your work. Okay students, I hope so your work is complete. Now we'll start next sum. Okay students, now look at this. Reena take a train from Mumbai at 2:50 and reach Pune 5:45. How long does it take to go from Mumbai to Pune by train? मुंबई से पूना जाने में ट्रेन में कितना टाइम लगता है? That we have to find. So here we have to do the subtraction. Let's start that. We have to write here D1 sum, hours, minutes, hours and minutes are there. In that, there will be 5 hours 45 minutes, 2 hours 15 minutes. 5 minus 5, 0 is there. 4 minus 1, 4 on your finger, minus 1. Remaining number is 1 and 2. So here we have to write 3, 1, 2 and 3. 5 minus 2, 3 is there. We have to write the answer. 3 hours 30 minutes. 3:30. Now look at this everyone. Write it down in your rough book. I'll give you one notebook. I'll give you 1 minute you have to complete your work. Okay students, complete your work fast as well as possible. Okay students, I hope your work is complete. Now we'll start next worksheet. Okay students, now we'll start next worksheet. In that worksheet, here is a measuring time. Worksheet number 24 is there. That is the last worksheet in our chapter. Convert the following. 10 hours is equal to dash minute. So answer is 600 minutes are there. 13 seconds is equal to dash minutes. Answer is 5 minutes are there. 900 seconds is equal to dash minutes. Answer is 15 minutes. 7 minutes is equal to dash second. 420 seconds are there. 720 minutes is equal to dash hours. Answer is 12 hours. 5 hours is equal to dash minutes. 616 minutes. 18 minutes is equal to dash second. Answer is 1018 minutes. 418 minutes is equal to 8 hours. 23 minutes is equal to 1 hours. 1380 minutes are there. 78 seconds is equal to 13 minutes are there. 25 minutes is equal to 15 seconds are there. 600 minutes is equal to 100 hours is there. Now look at this worksheet everyone. Question number first, convert the following and write it down in your rough book. I'll give you 1 minute, you have to complete your work. Okay students, I hope so work is complete students. So now your homework is you have to complete the worksheet number 23. In that sum number A, B and C, D, E, and F is there. That sums you have to write it down in your notebook and send it to me before 3 o'clock in a WhatsApp group. Also you have to complete the worksheet number 24, question number first and second, and send it to me worksheet in a WhatsApp group before 3 o'clock. Okay everyone, bye, have a nice day.